Hello and welcome to opencrank.com. This is video 30 in the series, and today we are showing off our Reco gas engine. We believe it's about half to 3/4 of a horsepower, and when we originally got it, we had a chain coil magneto on it, but we've changed it over to trembler coil. We don't know whether Reco is an abbreviation for something or whether that was actually the company's name. It's running on gas today, and as you can see, we've sorted it reasonably well. I would think back in the day it was probably used as a little lighting set in a cottage, but we're just running it today just for the fun of it. Thank you for watching opencrank.com, and we hope to see you again soon.